Hi there, WBRC First Alert Chief Meteorologist JP Dice. Look at that rain that we're watching tonight that's moving into Louisiana. It started in Texas, and it is going to continue to migrate toward Alabama, likely to give us some strong storms in the morning, maybe even some tornadoes in South Alabama. We're going to be looking at a threat for severe weather, perhaps moving as far north as the I-20 corridor. I tend to think this is going to be more of a South Alabama, Panhandle of Florida, southern Mississippi type event, but still can't let our guard down. We do have some instability and some wind shear, kind of borderline here. If you look at our future radar at 5 a.m., just covered up with rain. And as we make our way through the morning, there's 7, 8 o'clock, very heavy rain. The temperature's really not favoring tornado development. You can get a tornado with this kind of temperature profile and dew point, but I think the chances are much greater farther to the south. This kicks on out, and then later on, Saturday night into Sunday, we could be looking at yet again more rain and thunderstorms, although the second round and perhaps even the third round does not look as strong as what we'll initially see early Saturday morning. I say weather aware. We're going to be looking at an elevated threat for severe weather in our southernmost counties. If I'm talking about Greene or Hale or Chilton, Coosa, Tallapoosa counties, those are really going to be the areas that we are most likely to see those stronger storms. To the north, a limited risk for severe weather. Still, make sure you have multiple ways to get severe weather information just in case, because every now and then you can still get a tornado under these kind of conditions. Remember, Thursday night in Pell City, or just south of Pell City, ended up with an EF1 tornado in very marginal conditions. So here's a look at our threat levels across the state. Heavy rain, damaging winds. Tornado threat is, we may end up actually reducing that a little bit, and a hail threat out there. So that's what we're going to be looking at over the weekend. Not one, not two, but 3 different rounds of potential severe weather, although I think the first round is going to be the most significant, and that's early in the morning between about 4 and say 9, 10 a.m. During the afternoon on Saturday, probably looking at some drier weather. WBRC First Alert Chief Meteorologist JP Dice.